As you can see, over here we have our new printer. It's HP SmartTank 580. Today I'm going to do unboxing and setup of this gorgeous HP printer in our studio. As I've told you previously, this is our printer, SmartTank 580 wireless all-in-one, made by HP. This is a printer that comes with 3-year ink inside of it. Today we are going to unbox it and I will show you how to set up all wireless functions with HP. Now we are going to unbox the printer. Let me open it. Okay, so this part is done. So let's see what we got here. Okay, first box. This is our ink, 3-year ink as promised by HP, and a power source. We are getting 3 black and 3 colored HP inks. Also, we have 2 printing cartridges over here. So this is our ink setup. Next. Okay, so a little bit tight. Okay, so you can see the HP has made handles over here, which makes pulling out your printer really nice and easy. Okay, so let's pull it out. Okay, so the box is empty. And here is our printer. Let's remove the protection. Okay. Over here. Okay. So here is our printer, and we have some instructions and documentation over here. Okay. So as you can see, here is our printer. We have a scanner over here, our display and controls over here, power button, HP logo of course, our paper exit and our paper input. Over here we have our ink tags for black, blue, red and yellow ink. Okay. So you know now when we buy our HP 580 SmartTank printer, we receive our 3-year supply of HP ink and we receive this gorgeous printer, which we are going to unpack and set up right now. So first you need to remove all the blue stripes. Okay. So you can see over here we have our scanner. Let's remove this as well. Okay. Here is our paper input. And over here we have our storage for our ink. I will zoom a little bit so you can see it better. And now we are going to fill our tanks over here with ink. To do so, let's open our printer. I will need to remove the last protection from here. Okay, now it's done. Before you start using your printer, you should know that over here you will need to put your cartridges, or as they call them, tank system. So there is 2 tank system, one is for black and other is for color. First of all, let's unbox our ink. Okay, so this is the ink we are going to be using. This is the original HP ink GT53XL. So let's open black system, open our ink like this, and you just put it over here like this and press it. you could see that the black ink is starting to filling up. Okay, almost there. Okay, so our black ink is done. Close the system. Now our colors are ready and we are going to fill our printer with our color options. Important thing, don't mix the tanks. If it's blue, you should put blue. Okay, so you can see it's starting to fill up. And it's done. Blue is filled. Now it should be red, but as far as I see it's magenta or pink. Okay, so let's put this one. You don't need to press anything, it fills by itself. It's pretty liquid. Okay, so basically if you don't rush it like I did over here, you can fill the whole bottle in 1 mini tank. Okay, so this one is done. Let's close it. And the last one is yellow. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, done. Okay, perfect. And the last thing I'm planning to do is to fill the blue one to the end. Okay, so okay. Perfect. Okay, so our printer is filled with our ink. The only thing we need is to install our tank system. Okay, so here is our tank system. The black one goes over here and the color one goes over here. When you open the tank systems, you could see that one is free color and the other is black. So first I will open the black one. Okay, so the black one is open. It looks like this. Before you start, you will need to pull this sticker and you will need to release this pump. Okay, so now it's done. Let's install it. We should install the black one here and the color one over here, but we have nowhere to install it. To fix it, you will need to pull this system, over here. Remove this thing and remove this installation. Sorry. Okay, done. That's not easy. Okay, so it's open and now we should be able to remove them. Okay, so they are removed. This is trickiest part. Okay, so let's align everything and install our black one first. I think I'm doing it wrong. Yes, sorry. You should put them this way. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay, so the black one is installed. Now we should install the color one. Okay, same thing over here. Remove this thing. We have 3 tubes over here for 3 colors. You put it this way and you insert it inside. Okay, so now it's done. Let's press this system. Okay, we have closed our tanks and we're ready to print. Let's close. Okay, let's close the ceiling. It's automatic with the door, so Oh, it's cool. Okay, so it's closed and ready to start working. Just one more touch. Okay, we are ready to go.